What up, guys? Alright, welcome to our group shit. I hope I pronounce it correctly. Anyway, I'm gonna go through so much about the variables that you see here. I'm still not very sure about what these two particular variables do, or the math behind the calculations here. What I'm going to go through is how are we going to lock our trades. Alright, but before we do that, the first thing you want to do is make a copy of this group sheet by going here and just make a copy, whatever name you want to name it, and then just click OK. That way you save a backup sheet in your Google Drive. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is scroll over here, and as you can see, I've added a column which shows or states the roles column. The roles basically whether you want to be a striker, or you want to be a recovery expert, or just whatever you want to be, just fill it up here. But I suppose just leave it to strikers or recovery team or recoverer or something like that. Alright, so now let's get to the meat of the sheet. I seriously need to work on my pronunciation. Okay, so what we can see here at the moment is just a row of unfilled lock columns. Okay, so basically what you want to do is when you're entering your trade log, okay, I've made it much easier and more efficient to lock our trades. So you can either just come to the drop down menu and click whichever pair you're trading and so on. Alright, recovery size or results or whatever. So I'm just going to go through an example of logging a trade. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is create more rows. So to do that, you just click on the the row number here, then you right click here, and then you just insert one above, since we are logging the recent one above, so all the older trades will go down. Right, so once you have added the row, you can start logging the trades. So what you want to do is just enter the date. Okay, a very quick way to enter the date is by pressing Control and semicolon. There we go. Oh no, it's not really working. Let me try again. Control semicolon. There we go. The current date shows up perfectly fine. Don't have to type the digits there, right? And then the next thing you want to do is select the pair that you're trading. So I'm just going to imagine that I'm trading USD JPY. So what I want to do is I'll just highlight the cell here and then just type USD. You can see the drop down, you have a few USD pairs there, but I'm going for JPY, so I'll select USD JPY, and then next column will be our action, whether we are going to go for a call or put, basic stuff. So P for a put, and then C for a call. Alright, press C, select call. Okay, then the results, whether we won or lost or tied the trade. So just to give us some very good energy, I'm just going to imagine that I won the trade. So there you go, W for a winning trade, won. Alright, and then trade size, since everything is imaginary, I'm just going to put 100. Big winning, who doesn't want that? And then comes to our logic. Okay, logic, I've added a few of them here. As you can see, bonus, fake push, in fifth logic, in 7 logic, pin finder, and error. Error is basically if you trade the wrong pair accidentally, or you just basically traded without the binary alpha guideline. So try not to use it that much, because I'm pretty sure Kazi will be monitoring our trade logs, or our senior, so for this case, I'm just going to press 7 for the in 7 logic, selected in 7 logic, and moving on to the next column, which is the gate. Okay, the gate is a bit confusing because there's a lot of them, but all of them has its own meaning. Okay, basically L1, it means we lost the trade and we are locking the gate 1 at level 1, which is where I'm pointing my mouse cursor at. So for example, if we lock the gate 1, we lock gate 1 at level 1, we select lock gate 1 at level 1 here, and then we come to this table and just input number 1 there, just to show that you lock the gate. Alright, so to unlock the gate, when you want the trade to unlock the gate, you basically come to this cell again and you just type UL for unlock gate 1 or gate 2 or gate 3 or gate 4 or gate 5. So in this case, we've only locked the gate at gate 1 at level 1, so we just type UGL1 for gate 1. And which level would that be? Level 1. So you just click here, unlock gate 1. So yeah, you're the hero for unlocking the gate. So awesome, good stuff. Keep up the good work and all, you know. Crap, here again. Not very sure why this function isn't saving. Let me just input the function here to make it easier, right? So not very sure why the function did not copy through. Let's see, let's try again. Function's not copying through, so it's gonna be a pain. Anyway, I'll try to fix whatever the issue is causing it not to be safe, but I've tried to make it as easy as possible, because the function basically computes or calculates the winning, the losing. So for example, if I lost this trade, it will show as a loss, the amount of money we lost. Say for example, if it's a tie, then it will just be 100. So when we compute our weekly profit and loss, it'll be so much easier, you know. So in this case, I'll just set it as win. And expiry, of course, we have 1 minute, 2 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. You know, I don't think we are trading 5 minutes yet, but I'm just leaving it there in case. Alright. And then our code name, yes, of course. So I've assigned each of us our code name, which is the first letter of our name. Bonnie, you've got a C. Saga, you've got an S. Rough Boy, you've got an R. Blah blah blah. Dan, B, F, K, M. You know. So remember to use your correct code name. Alright. So for this case, I'm Dan, so I'm just going to press D. There we go, code name. And link, I have no links to paste here. Comments, if you want to leave anything, just leave it here. Voila, that's all. Easy, sweet. Alright. So if you're not sure of anything, just Skype me or let me know what you find confusing about this group sheet. Thank you.